Like to I would like to apologize for the echo in this video. For some reason I bought a mic for my channel and I began recording with the new mic. When everything was completed, I noticed I had a bad echo. So I would like to apologize. I cannot remake the video because I have already changed the path in this drill. So I would just like to apologize. I know I would be criticized. I would like to apologize for the mistake. Thank you. Yeah, good day. Today I'll be changing the motor in this HP457D. That's a Makita drill. I opened it and checked it out already and noticed that the motor blowed in it. So I ordered a motor. I'll have the part of the motor in the description for if in case you need one. It is a HP457D Makita drill. If you're new to this channel and you like my content, please subscribe, like the video by giving me the thumbs up, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. With that said, let me start working and taking out these screws, which I should have take them out before. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws in this. This is the inside of the Makita drill. You're taking out that part. Yeah, you're shaking, you're holding here, and you're pulling up. You're removing this at the back. Let me check to see if the motor I got is the right thing. Yes, it looks so. Now, this top here you have to remove. It has two screws. No, I don't have the battery yet. I am rebuilding. I will be rebuilding the battery to put in this. So when I finish put that on, there is no way I'll be able to test it. For you until I repair the battery, I don't have no Makita batteries. Yeah, you wipe it. The positive is matte. Red, it has a red tap. So when you're placing it, make sure you put positive together with positive. I won't put much grease, I'll just put a dab in it. Yeah, you have to make sure you get it in right. The positive to the top. the negative to the bottom, and you make sure you place the guard for the back. Make sure you put that back, and base it have two springs. Make sure the springs are fitted in. Once you get everything in, then you would put the cover back. Once the cover is on, you put your screws in. If you're using a power drill, make sure you set it so when the screw reach in, it will just slip, it won't keep on turning. Yes, it's missing two screws. I think I will set it up. I think I'll set it up the next time. One. I got one. I'll be placing one screw. When I build a battery pack, I will test the drill. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. That has the brushes inside. On one of the sides, the brushes dislodge, which means they were using that non-stop, so it burned the plastic that was holding the brush onto the armature. This is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like. You could comment and everything else. Goodbye and thank you.